Okay, so we're going to continue on with our programming in our drums, and I'm going to just duplicate this drum loop out by holding down the Alt key and just clicking that wee white box at the bottom right, clicking across, and that'll just create us another loop. And I'm going to, if I just click on this loop and hit P on our keyboard, we can move our loop locators around that. And then I'll just go in here and I'll start to move these samples around. So it's going to expand this so we can see what notes we've got. So this is the second bar in our loop. So I'm just going to move this around. So I'm going to get rid of this kick drum here. I'll get rid of this hat. And we'll just put a wee shuffle in here, a wee triplet shuffle. So got to go to the quantize at the top. I'll set this to a 16th triplet. And I'll just move these onto the triplet notes. And I'll go back to our 32s, and I'm going to get rid of these crash sounds here. And instead we'll put in some hats. And we'll put in some more triplets as well, so we'll put in another 16th triplet. And we'll do the same on the glass crash sound here. Just need to go back to our 32. We can keep the rest the same there. And then we can just copy across our first one by holding it down the Alt key. We can just click and drag that over, drop it into the third bar. If I hit P and just double click in here, we can just edit this loop as well. So I'm going to take out the first kick drum, and we'll take out the 2 extra hats, and we'll put the white noise hit in there at the very start. We're going to take this off the triplet here, so go back to our 32s. And we'll just move these off. And the rest of that we can keep the same, so let's have a listen to that. And then if we just duplicate again the first loop, hold down Alt and drag that over, hit P. We can just do our final loop here. Let's get rid of that extra hit, and we'll get rid of that kick drum again. And I think we'll go to our triplets again for the 16th triplet. We'll just move these onto the triplet. In fact, I think I'll just bring across our second drum loop, which has pretty much the same thing we're going for. And we'll just get rid of the final 2 hats at the end there. Okay, so that's a 4-bar loop drawn out. I'm just going to go into this this last bar of the loop and just change the very last hit on it. So at the minute we're landing on that sort of factory noise again. Just going to move this up to the tom. And we'll also put in the vocal noise as well. So we just hear that whole loop. going to go in and edit these two hits here. Okay, so just on that the third bar there, I just changed those two single hits to the 4 hits again. I'm just going to go back into our Groove Agent now. If we just click on that MIDI clip and click this instrument icon. And this vocal noise, I'm just going to bring the volume of that back. And the same for the white noise, bring it back. And our tom will bring this back. Okay, so that's our entire 4-bar loop programmed. We're going to do a variation on this later on. In the next tutorial, we're going to go to the individual groups on this and apply a little bit of EQ and compression.